Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another weekly forecast. Starting from the weekly time frame is GBP USD. What are we looking at from the weekly perspective? As you can see, market is currently trending to the downside. Current trend is down. As you can see, this trend is down, so that's what we are looking at. So let us analyze together. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, we have established that the time frame is down. So let us start plotting our we can see the weekly time frame price is down from here. Okay, we have a downtrend here. So looking at the weekly time frame, we notice that price is currently sitting at this support level here. Price is currently sitting at this support level. You see, whenever price come to this level, it tends to push to the upside, so price is currently sitting at this level, and if price break this level come next week, we are looking at not only will price take out this level, price will probably trade to this level again. This place serve as a support here in the past, so I'm looking at this zone as a support too. Okay, now still on the weekly time frame, what are we looking at? Price did not test this resistance level, this resistance support, so I was hoping that price will come and test it before moving to the downside, but price went all the way to the down. So let's move to the daily time frame. From the daily time frame, we can see that current price is bearish. Price was coming from a bullish scenario. When price took out this high, we have the higher high, no higher than this high, lower high. You can see lower high. So now price did not give us a lower high to push to this level, so price now broke down all the way to take out this low. So this is where price is currently sitting. So I'm hoping that come next week, price will push to the upside to take out this liquidity, this sell side liquidity, or probably price will start trending to the low side. This is what I'll be hoping that price will move. I'm hoping that price will start moving up. Okay, something like this. Okay, to this is where I'll be expecting price to sell off. But if I didn't see that, so be it. So I'll still on the daily time frame. We found out that this supply zone is yet to be tested. Okay, this this supply zone here is yet to be tested. So I'm hoping that price will come to this zone to give us a full sell-off. Okay, a full sell-off from the daily time frame. So I'll be hoping that price will still push up, since price is sitting at this support zone. Let's hope that price will push up before selling. So I'll be expecting price to come all the way to this zone. So if I plot my fib level here, high and low here, I find that price have not even traded to the 50% of this move. So the 50% of this moves is yet to be traded into. Okay, so I'll be hoping that price will still push up before the final sell. So moving on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, there is no much data here, only that. Okay, on the 4-hour we have this little supply zone here, drop base drop. Have this supply zone. price have already mitigated all this imbalance here. So, and we have this trend line liquidity forming here. Okay, this is a liquidity that price need to clear off before getting to this zone, before we start seeing the sell off. So I'll be hoping that price will trade all the way to the upside, but if price did not trade up to that zone and come here and give us some push to this level, this support level, if this support level will turn resistance, is equally a good place for one to take this trade. If price just come here giving us a head and shoulder pattern, here will not be the neckline. Okay, give us something like this. This is a good place again I'll be looking at to sell this market. That'll be all on GBP USD. Next on my radar is will be a Euro USD. Euro USD from the weekly time frame, and as we can see, price is currently selling, moving to the downside. The overall trend is sell. How do we know? So price started by printing high here, low, lower high. This high is higher than this. Then look at the drop. Okay, so we now have this high. Currently we want this push to break this low. Okay, this on the weekly time frame. So what else are we looking at here? Let us the liquidity on the weekly time frame. You can see that price have taken out this low. Okay, and we have this low, so we needed price to go up to give us the first push to the upside before coming down. So I'm looking at this this zone here, this zone. Okay, this resistance zone, I'm still looking that price will come and test it, or better still this supply zone here on the weekly. As you can see, we have this supply here. So I'm hoping that price will come all the way to this supply before trading downwards. So let's move to the daily time frame. What is the daily telling us? From the daily perspective, we can see that price is currently on a downtrend, but if you look close, the price is ranging here. Price have not done much. Price is currently ranging at this box here. Okay, and we can see that price is currently doing something. This is okay, drop, base, drop, this lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, now price have printed a higher high. This high is higher than this high here, but price have failed to give us a lower low. Okay, even price has failed to give us a lower low, so price is currently ranging and is actually creating a support here. Price is finding a support here. Okay, so when we go into the 4-hour time frame to get more data, so in the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, price is currently at this support level, and we have this trend line. So we have this trend line liquidity. Okay, we have this show that okay, price is currently selling. We have this trend line liquidity here. So, and if you can see, we have this bullish, this candle formation here. This is the buyers coming to this market from this support. See, they have pushed the market up. We have this bullish engulfing pattern. So we are hoping that in the course of the week, price will start moving up to the upside. Okay, I hope that price will push up to the upside to come and mitigate this level. We still have this imbalance here yet to be tested, and we have this supply zone here. So I'm hoping that price will trade all the way to 10800 around psychological level. We have Moving on, our next pair will be GBP AUD from the weekly time frame. As you can see, price is moving high. Price is currently on an uptrend. Price is breaking highs. Price is taking out highs here. So you can see the trend. Price is taking out highs. Okay, so we are in a bullish trend from the weekly perspective. So weekly is bullish. Okay, so let's move to the daily time frame. From the daily time frame, we have this supply zone, this demand zone. So this demand zone resting below this low. Have this demand zone. Why is it demand? Because this demand zone took out this structure. Okay, and it took out this other structure too. So that zone is a big zone, so I believe that price is going to react from this zone to give us a buy into the market. So moving on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, price is currently moving to the downside. Price is printing lower high, very lower high. So we are expecting price to push to the downside. We have this trend line, liquidity resting below this demand zone. So GBP AUD is going to be an interesting pair to look out for this week. We believe that this demand zone is going to take out this high and take us to this weekly liquidity points at the course of the weeks. So I believe that price is going to react and start pushing. This is what I'll be looking at on GBP AUD, and my next pair will be GBP CAD. GBP CAD on a weekly time frame, and we are looking at a pair that have been bullish for a very long time. Okay, this pair have been bullish for a very long time. So currently weekly time frame is bullish, and we have this liquidity resting above this double top here. Price printed a double top and boom, move to the downside, but this downs movement did not take out this low. Okay, not take out this low. So this is the I'm currently looking at price testing this support zone. Okay, this weekly support zone, I'm looking at price coming all the way to test it to keep moving. But let's go to the daily to see a clearer picture. Okay, you see this support zone align with this will I call this a demand zone, higher low. Yeah, this is a demand zone. So if I put in my fib level, let me see what will that zone look like. Okay, this will be like 50% of this move. This will be 50% of this move to the upside. So I'm hoping that price will react from this zone, then give us a reason to buy into this market too, and price is going to take out this liquidity resting above this high. On the 4-hour time frame, price is currently bearish. Okay, price is currently bearish, and price is currently giving us higher low, lower highs. You can see price is currently giving us low, higher low and lower high. So we still expect that price will keep giving us this movement up to this zone before you will now see a shift in market structure. Okay, when I see a shift in market structure, that's when we start I will start engaging in a buying scenario in this place. So this zone is going to be a very vital zone for me to participate in this market. So I'm keeping my hand crossed on GBP CAD. GBP CAD is a very nice trending pair. I like the pair, it trends really well. So hope that price is going to give us a shift in market structure from this zone and start trending to the upside. And next in my radar is going to be Euro AUD. Euro AUD, this pair is you might say this pair is ranging, but actually this pair is not ranging. Okay, let me break it down for us. Okay, this from the weekly perspective, you can see price is current trend is bullish. So let us establish that is the current trend. The current trend of this market is bullish, so price is currently moving to the upside. Okay, price is currently moving to the upside. So let's look closely again. If price is bullish, what has price done this week? You see, this is a bullish engulfing candle. This candle engulfed this candle. So what did price did? Price came and mitigated this candle. Okay, this is a confirmation that we are actually bullish. The price came and tapped in nicely and start trading to the upside. And if you look closely, we have this liquidity resting above this resistance zone. This price, whenever price comes to this zone, is in a push down. Come here, push down. So that's what price immediately come here, say push down to this level, and price is rejecting to the upside. So on a daily time frame, we can see that price is currently pushing to the upside, and you can see this resistance zone, price have already turned it to support. This resistance zone has been supported already. Okay, so this resistance has been supported. So at the support of this zone, price started pushing to the upside. So I'll be buying this market. So there are so many scenarios here. This is a support zone. We have this trend line here. And I'm equally looking at a head and shoulder pattern here. But because of this liquidity, I will not be putting my effort to that. This is head, no, left shoulder, head, shoulder. So if price will give us a candle confirmation entry, so this place will now be the right shoulder to trend lower. You see, it's trend lower because I have this zone here. We have this demand zone here. Putting the fact, we have this demand zone, and we have this trend line liquidity, and we have this imbalance here. So there is every possibility that price might trade lower, mitigate this resistance zone, or probably turn this resistance to a support zone, because this resistance level, okay, might turn it to support before moving to the upside. This is what I'll be looking out for in this trade. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. That will be all for me this week. Always manage risk and always stay positive in the market. This is December's period. This is a festive period, so you don't need to go all hard to the market. So these are my top picks for the week. Thank you and God bless.